Is your salon or spa constantly battling missed appointments? Do you find yourself wondering if those hard-won bookings are actually sticking, or if they're just floating off into the digital ether, leaving you with empty chairs and lost revenue? If you're using Vagaro, or considering it, a crucial question probably pops into your head. Does Vagaro send confirmation emails? It's a simple question, but the answer, and more importantly, the implications of that answer, can drastically impact your business. In an age where everyone's inbox is a battlefield for attention and our calendars are more packed than ever, a reliable confirmation system isn't just a nice-to-have. It's an absolute necessity. Think about it. How many times have you personally forgotten an appointment, only to be saved by a timely email or text? Your clients are no different. They lead busy lives, and while they might be excited about their upcoming haircut, massage, or fitness class, life happens. Distractions abound, and memory can be a fickle thing. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Vagaro send confirmation emails? The definitive answer is a resounding yes. And not just any confirmation emails. Vagaro offers a robust, customizable, and highly effective system for ensuring your clients are well-informed and show up for their appointments. But simply knowing yes isn't enough. We need to delve into the how, the why, and the what else to truly understand the power of Vagaro's communication features and how you can leverage them to minimize no-shows and optimize your business operations. Imagine this scenario. A client books a complex balayage service that requires a 2-hour slot. They're excited, you're ready to showcase your artistry, but then they don't show up. That's 2 hours of lost revenue, a stylist sitting idle, and a frustrated front desk trying to fill an unexpected gap. Now, imagine the same scenario, but a day before the appointment, your client receives a friendly, professional email reminding them of their upcoming service, the date, time, and even the stylist's name. Suddenly, the chances of that no-show plummet. This is the power of automated confirmations. Vagaro understands this critical need. Their platform is built with client communication at its core, offering not only email confirmations but also text message reminders, and even the ability for clients to confirm their attendance directly from these communications. This multi-channel approach significantly increases the likelihood that your message will be seen and acted upon. Let's break down how this works within Vagaro. When a client books an appointment, whether it's online through your Vagaro booking page, through the Vagaro app, or directly by your staff, Vagaro's system springs into action. Almost instantaneously, a confirmation email is generated and sent to the client's registered email address. This initial email serves as an immediate acknowledgement of their booking, providing peace of mind and essential details. But it doesn't stop there. Vagaro allows you to set up automated reminder emails and text messages. You can customize the timing of these reminders. Do you want a reminder sent 24 hours before the appointment? 48 hours? A week? You have the flexibility to choose what works best for your business and your clients. This layered approach to communication is incredibly effective. The initial confirmation ensures they know the booking was successful, and the subsequent reminders gently nudge them closer to their appointment time, reducing the chances of them forgetting. What kind of information can these confirmation and reminder emails contain? This is where Vagaro's customization truly shines. You're not limited to generic templates. You can personalize these communications with your salon or spa's branding, your logo, your colors, your specific messaging. You can include service details, the exact service booked, including any add-ons, date and time, clearly stated, often with the option to add to their personal calendar. Staff member, the name of the stylist, therapist, or instructor. Location details, your address, directions, and even a map link. Cancellation policy, a gentle reminder of your policy to avoid misunderstandings. Reschedule link, making it easy for clients to adjust their appointment if needed. Reducing direct calls to your front desk. Custom messages, special instructions, a welcome message, or a link to your online waiver. This level of detail not only minimizes confusion but also enhances the professional image of your business. It shows your clients that you are organized, attentive, and value their time. Beyond the initial confirmation and reminders, Vagaro also offers features like automated thank you emails after a service, encouraging reviews and repeat bookings. And for those unfortunate no-shows, you can even set up automated "we missed you" emails, gently prompting them to reschedule. This comprehensive communication suite transforms what could be a headache into a seamless, client-centric experience. Consider the time savings alone. Imagine if your staff had to manually call or email every single client to confirm their appointment. That would be an enormous drain on resources, pulling them away from serving clients in person, managing inventory, or handling other crucial tasks. Vagaro automates this process entirely, freeing up your team to focus on what they do best, providing exceptional services. Furthermore, automated confirmations contribute significantly to revenue protection. Every no-show represents lost income. By dramatically reducing no-shows through effective communication, Vagaro directly impacts your bottom line. It ensures that your schedule remains full, your staff remains productive, and your business operates at maximum efficiency. So, when you ask, does Vagaro send confirmation emails? The answer is not just a simple yes, but a robust affirmation of a powerful communication system designed to optimize your business, enhance client satisfaction, and safeguard your revenue. It's a testament to Vagaro's understanding of the unique challenges faced by salons, spas, and fitness businesses in today's fast-paced world. Leveraging these features is not just about sending emails. It's about building stronger client relationships, fostering reliability, and ultimately, ensuring the continued success of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.